Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY, Home Decor, and more, and Emerson's Adventures. Their guest host this week is J Mom's Creation, and the theme is fall. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for this Tuesday. And now I'll tell you a little bit about my tablescape. First, I'll show you what I have placed here. I have the two lamps, and then I have the little bowl with the gold leaf. I have the two vases with the pampas grass, and I have the same on the other side. For my centerpiece, I have used two pairs with the mercury glass, one on each side, also a candle holder on each side with the flower, and then I have the regular stick candle holders with the candles. And now I'll tell you about the glasses that I have here. The glasses each have like flowers on them. They are beautiful, and I purchased them at the Goodwill for 59 cents each. And boy, are they pretty. So now I'll tell you a little bit about my place setting here. My charger plate is from Hobby Lobby. My dinner plate is from the Goodwill. My salad, my other dinner plate is also from the Goodwill. My salad plate is from Kohl's, and it's from the Jonathan and Drew Scott Property Brothers collection. My silverware is from Tuesday Morning. And my napkin is from Home Goods, and the leaf is from the Dollar Tree. This is a simple yet elegant tablescape, and I hope I've given you all some ideas on decorating your tables for the fall season. I want to thank Courtney with Emerson's Adventures and Anna at the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for inviting me to be a part of Tablescape on Tuesday. Their guest, Jamon's Creation. You all make sure you go over and check out all of their channels, as I will be leaving all of their information in my description box. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Tablescape on Tuesday. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. This is Emma, and I will be seeing you all in my next video.